Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or let me say welcome if this is your very first time here. Hello, my name is Eᥒtᥗrrtᥗ Oluwafoyinsayemi and I'm a YouTuber based in Ibadan, Nigeria. I create content on lifestyle, fashion, vlog and a little bit of randomness. If you like any of my content or this one you're about to watch, please ensure you click on that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you will be the first that YouTube will notify anytime I drop a new video. So this video, as the title implies, we are going to be doing unboxing. I intentionally did not open this package when I got it yesterday because I want to do video. I said I must bring this video to my YouTube. I don't want to miss it. So this is how my package came in. By the title you already can tell what I want to unbox, but why unliloning this thing, I just want to tell you the backstory of how this package came into exist. I'm behind this particular camera since July 2025, and at that time I think it cost around 1.3 million naira. Me, there is no way I'm going to carry 1.3 million naira cash, like carry 1.3 million naira and send it to somebody that wants to buy camera. It's not possible. Do you know how many ᥕhᥱrᥱ I'm going to buy with 1.3 million naira? More than 4 to 5. Let's not lie. The kaku in me will not let me go and buy this camera, even though I didn't even have the money. Let's even say I have the money, I cannot carry that money. But you know, let's say I'm saving the money, like I'm giving the vendor maybe 100,000, 200,000 till the money completes. I feel do something like that. But then, because I don't have money, I can't do stuff like that. So I said, let me calm down. Later on, around December, the price dropped to when I asked my vendor, he said 9999, meaning it's 1 kobo for it to be 1 million naira. It's still a lot. I don't have the money. So you now remember, you know, when you've been thinking about something, you've been browsing about something, checking their reviews, and all your social media, they start bringing that particular stuff. That is what happened to this camera. There is no how I'm going to open TikTok that I'm not going to see anything that has to do with DJI camera, DJI pocket camera, DJI kiniko. So that's how I saw my vendor. I'm going to give you the details of my vendor at the end of this video, but that's how I saw my vendor on a pre-order. Yes, I got this camera on a pre-order. Like, I had to wait for some days. When I messaged my vendor and then she said, oh, this is the price, but I have to wait for 7 to 14 days. I said, no problem. I've done pre-order before over the years that we even have to stay 3 months, 4 months before we get our package. So no problem. I'm going to wait. It's not going to be any problem for me to wait. And then she said, no, wala. So I ordered this camera. I think I paid January 2nd, 2026. And then yesterday, it actually got delivered to Lagos rather. So she has to ship it down to Ibadan for me, and then I got it in my hand yesterday, which is 20th of January 2020. And I think it's not, if you know you cannot wait, please don't do pre-order. If you know you cannot calm down and wait till when your stuff is going to come, please don't do pre-order, right? But 20 days is not that much. It's not even 20 days, that's 18 days plus that 2 days that I bought it. And then my camera came with this camera, and then this memory card came with it. And then I told her that I want pouch too as well. She now said that a vendor gave it to me for free. So this is like a pouch for the camera. But let's just put this one aside and see what we have here first. I think this is the camera itself, and then we have another thing here. I don't know. Okay, so this is the case, I think, for the camera. This is the camera itself. This is the bag rather. It's the camera itself. There are a lot of goodies here. A lot. Okay, so we have like a stand. That's the stand. I've seen review on this one. So this is like, I think, extension or battery. I don't even know. Maybe extension or battery or whatever. This is the almighty DJI microphone. Hey, is about my party. What's this one? Okay, the strap. So this is like the magnet stuff. I don't want to open it here because I want to still use this thing to create content for my TikTok. So this is my cord. The manualism. I'm going to need this thing. This is like my manual, and this is the camera. What's this now? This name? I think it's from the paper. This is the camera. I don't know how to use it. I don't even know how to turn it on. I think it's low. So where is now the battery? Is this the battery? Sorry, like this. I think I need to charge this stuff because as I'm putting it on, it's giving me when mount is at please Android reader holding the release button. Press hold. Okay. So what's that? This one? Honestly, I don't really know. I don't know how to put on this thing. As I'm pressing it, it's bringing red. So I think it's low. If that's what it is. So that means I have to charge it. So this is how to remove it. I need to charge the camera before use so that I can remove it. Or let's just put the camera one side first and unbox the other stuff that I have here. What's this? Oh, what these small stickers. Me, I'll not decorate my camera with this thing. God forbid. So now look childish, shabby. Oh, this is the casing. This is the pink. Another thing here. I don't even know how to put all these things together, but I'll definitely learn it. This is a screen guard. Another screen. I don't know. I have to read and know how to put all these things together. So I just need to figure out this thing because everything is in pieces. I one. I don't understand. So I just need to figure it out, and yeah, that's basic. So for my vendor sold this for me for 790,000 naira. He said our vendor gave her this one for free. So I'm very sure if you want to buy this as well, it's going to cost money. But she said our vendor gave her this for free. That's why I didn't pay for it. So that's basically, and then I waited for, let's not forget, 20 days before I get it. I'm going to put a TikTok handle in the description box, so in case you want to patronize her. One eternity later, I finally mount together this and my cute pink pouch. This is actually so beautiful. This is my microphone and this is everything. So let me just show you my camera. I charged it 100%. Okay, so let me do it like this so that you guys can see me. Hello. The memory card that they gave me isn't the right memory card, so I need to get another memory card. But so far I'm going to figure out how to use this thing. Even though I've read a lot about it, I'm still going to figure out how to use it. And then the next vlog you are going to see is going to be with my camera, so you will see the quality difference from this one. I'm so excited. Anyways, if you watch this video to this point, thank you so much for watching, and ensure you click on that red subscribe button, turn on post notifications so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be the first person that YouTube will notify. Okay, thank you, bye.